Ancient coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I present with another latest update of the ancient coin. What's the current price of ancient coin? What's the price change in the ancient coin? And this video, I'm going to show you, my friends. And you know what? If you want to make a good amount of profit with the ancient coin, so you know what? On the last day of the June, the ancient coin start pumping. On the last day, my friends. So absolutely, they will make you millionaire. But you have to do one thing, my friends. Do one thing. What should you do? Keep watching this video for more details, but before starting this video, you have to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. And if you have any questions about cryptocurrencies, so please feel free to ask any questions, my friends. Now this time the latest price of the ancient coin is 1.09 USD dollar. 1.09 USD dollar is the currently price of the ancient coin. Furthermore, the ancient coin price in the Bitcoin, you can see here 24 hours trading volume, available supply, market cap, total supply. Every update is present on the front of your eyes on the screen, my friends. Furthermore, you can see here the changes of the ancient coin is positive. You can see your last 1 week, last yesterday 24 hours, and now it's a temporary change. The last 24 hours, last 20 minutes change is negative, but that's a temporary phase. After some passage of time, after a few minutes, the price change will again positive. So the whole chain is occur. The average change occur in the ancient coin is positive, my friends. So it is the beginning of pumping, absolutely, my friends. And the July month, you know what my prediction tells us about ancient coin, that they will continue this pump throughout this whole July month. So that is why my advice for all ancient coin holders is that please buy more and more ancient coin, more and more before July month, my friends, if you want to make a good amount of profit with the ancient coin, my friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, but also subscribe my channel for updates and guidance videos, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now.